to the Trusted Car Products Testing Studio. We are here for our favourite time of the month when the Because Race Car Box subscription box lands. We are of course in February. This is the February box, so a little bit extra special to us this month because we're actually in the box. So let's take a look at what's inside. Okay, so resting nicely on the top of the box, as always, is the Because Race Car Box information card. We've got what looks like, I think it's a 458 Ferrari Scuderia. I'm going to be lambasted for that if I'm wrong, but it looks like one of those to me. Must admit, I'm not too clued up on my Ferrari models these days. I know the 458, the LaFerrari, but beyond that I'm a little bit... Anyway, on the back, as always, it tells you the different products that are in the box. So I can see we've got 4 main products in the box this month. 2 of them I've used before, 2 of them I haven't. So we'll have a look now. I'll talk through the ones I know, what I know about them. We'll have a look at the ones that I don't. Back to one side. I won't fall down the back of my car. Right, we'll start with one that I do know. We've got Powermax and the Rain-Off glass sealant in the box this month. Now we have reviewed this before. We actually did a group test of this against the classic Rain-X, and if I'm not mistaken, a Angel Axis H2Go, which is they're all rain repellent glass sealants for your vehicle. So the idea is you put these on, and as you're driving along, the water will fall into beads and bead off the windscreen. Improves visibility, improves safety. It means you don't have to use the wipers as much, it means you don't get the smearing and the hazing across the windscreen. And when you're going along, particularly at motorway speeds, and it's pouring down, it really does aid your visibility in front of you. Rain-Off is really good, we really do like this. We've been using it for several years now. The beauty of this is it's very easy to layer it as well, so you can put extra layers on for more durability, and it's very, very simple to apply. Some of them require a long cure time and a lot of buffing. This is essentially a wipe on, wipe off. I think you'd wait for about a minute between the two. But really good, nice little product. I'm sure everyone who's got that in the box this month will really enjoy that. Stay. Okay, so next out of the box we have got Auto Perfection Clarity. This is the other product in the box that we've used. This is a quick detailer product that smells incredible. If I'm not mistaken, I think it smells like strawberry sweets. It's been a while since we've used it. Yeah, it's a strawberry and cream sort of smell. Not that smell is the most important, but it helps. So yeah, it's a real high gloss, really easy to use quick detailer. So at the end of your wash process, and once the car's dry, you can go around with this, mist it onto a panel, buff it off with a nice plush towel, and it'll buff up to a nice rich shine, and put a little bit of protection down as well for you. So really, really nice product, and that little bottle will last you ages. You only have to use a tiny amount of this. So again, a product that people will really enjoy in the box this month. Just going to pop these on the floor so they don't roll off the back. Okay, so next out of the box we have something from Wax Planet. This is called Shellshock, and it describes it as nano sealant technology, so I'm guessing this is a paintwork sealant. Yeah, so Shellshock is a nano-based spray sealant for all exterior surfaces, including glass and plastics, and can be applied to both wet and dry vehicles. Seems to be quite a few of these type of products coming out at the moment. We've just actually tried Coat It by Autobim, and there's Envy Car Cares, which used to be called FA, and I think it's now called Speed Gloss or Fast Gloss. But there's several of these products on the market where you apply it to a wet car and then blast the car down with your jet wash, and it'll instantly bead and cheat the water away and put several months of protection on. So this sounds like it's the same sort of thing. So we'll definitely be putting this through to the test. Yes, it says up to 4 months protection, and you can use it on top of already protected cars. So yeah. New one to us, Shellshock. We'll put that through its paces. Should be enough in there to test several cars, I'd imagine, because usually these things dilute quite nicely. So yeah, we'll put that to the test. Ugh, getting old. Next one out of the box is from LA Car Care, another one completely new to me, called Blueberry Burst. It's a wheel cleaner, suggesting, as the name suggests, rather. Okay, it smells nothing like blueberries. I'm guessing the Blueberry Burst is from the colour, unless it changes its scent as it's mixed while you're spraying it. But it's an acidic-free wheel cleaner, which can dilute up to 1 parts to 9. So, as the name suggests, it is a wheel cleaner, so it cleans wheels, so we'll be testing that. There's not much more you can say about a wheel cleaner, but we'll put it through its paces and see how well it cleans, what's ease of use. If it's a pleasant one to use, some could be a bit choking. So yeah, we'll pop that through the test, and we'll feedback accordingly. I can see one more bottle in the box. This is from the team at Racecar themselves. If you've been subscribing to the box for a while, I think it was last month or might have even been the month prior, they put the lemon sherbet air freshener in, one they made themselves. This is a jelly bean one. If it's anything like the lemon sherbet one, it'd be lovely. Yes, that's very nice. And it actually does smell like jelly beans. Some of these things quite often have a name and you like, they don't smell anything like that, but that definitely smells like jelly beans. It's a very fresh smell, actually, very nice. Not too overpowering, not too sweet. I actually gave the lemon sherbet one to my dad last month because he fell in love with the scent, but he's not so much a fan of the sweeter scent, so I'll keep this for myself and I'll pop this in my own car. But yeah, it smells great. I'm sure if it's half as good and long lasting as the lemon sherbet, then it's a winner. Fine. Oh no, not. I speak too soon. We've got something big lurking in the bottom here. And now they've fitted this in. Okay, so this is from a brand called Detail Master. Must admit, this is a new one to me. So it's a diamond weave drying towel. Normally, I'm not overly keen on the lower plush drying towels. But they are usually very effective at drying. Although having said that, this one does feel quite soft. The waffle weave, the diamond weave do tend to be very good at absorbing water. I've just always been a little bit apprehensive with not that thick pile in case you miss any dust on the car. But this does seem to have a little bit of give to it, and it does seem very soft indeed. Edges aren't sharp or anything like that. So hopefully this will be nice and effective and safe on the paintwork as well. So we'll definitely put that to its test. And then, aside from the usual pair of gloves that they provide, which is always very much appreciated, and a trigger head, which I'm guessing is for the rain-off glass sealant, we have our entry into the box this month, which is our Ask About My Beads decals. This is a hashtag Ask About My Beads. You might have seen these on some of our backdrops. We do have them around the workshop. Some of our cars that we sponsor have been carrying them on them, and people have been asking after them, and we have sent them out to them. But yeah, I think we've sent in total over 700 of these out this month with the race car boxes. So what we want you to do is get this Ask About My Beads decal on your car, snap a picture of it, tag us in it on social media, Trusted Car Products, and if you can put the hashtag Ask About My Beads as well, and then we'll be judging the best one, the best picture you get. Try and make it a bit arty, maybe some beads over the top of it, that sort of thing. Best picture, we'll find some goodies to give away and send your way. But we look forward to seeing your pictures of the decal, so hopefully you enjoy having that in the box this month as well. Okay, so thank you for checking out another of our BecauseRacecarBox subscription unboxing videos, and for joining us on the Trusted Car Products YouTube channel today. Make sure you do check out the guys at RacecarBox if you haven't already. You can find them at BecauseRacecarBox.com. You can also use our discount code, which is Trusted Car Products, all in uppercase letters, and that'll get you 10% off your first box and 10% off all accessories on the website. I do believe the air fresheners at some point are going to be for sale on the website as well, so keep your eye out for those if you're a fan of those. Thank you to all the brands that feature in the box. Hopefully we do your brands justice when we come to give our feedback on them. And of course, we do appreciate all the support we get at Trusted Car Products. So please drop a thumbs up if you like this video, drop a comment below, we'll try and respond to any comments we get. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, and please share the channel with people who you think will enjoy it. And of course, find us on social media, on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, and at the official website, which is trustedcarproducts.co.uk. Thank you very much.